Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today we're going to guide you through the process of canceling your Apple TV Plus subscription, whether you're on a free trial that came with a new Apple device or you've decided that the service isn't for you anymore. Let's get right into the various methods you can use to cancel your subscription efficiently. Firstly, if you've enabled an Apple TV Plus free trial by purchasing a brand new Apple device, you're automatically eligible to enjoy the service at no cost for a limited time. But remember, if you don't cancel before the trial period ends, you might be charged. So if you decide it's not for you, it's important to cancel before the trial converts into a paid subscription. Now, if you're using an iPhone, the process is pretty straightforward. Begin by opening your Settings app. From there, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu to access your Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases settings. Inside, you'll find an option on labeled subscriptions. Tap on it, and this will bring up a list of all your current subscriptions, including Apple TV Plus. Once you locate Apple TV Plus, tap on it to see your subscription options. Here you can choose to cancel your subscription. If you decide to cancel, you might still have access to the service until the end of the current billing cycle. Alternatively, if you prefer using a web browser, Apple provides a dedicated site for managing Apple TV subscription. Just visit tv.apple.com. Once there, sign in with your Apple ID, navigate to the settings, and look for the subscription section. There should be a clearly marked option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. If you're encountering any issues or if the cancellation options aren't as straightforward as they should be, remember that Apple support is just a call or chat away. They can guide you through the process or handle the cancellation on your behalf. I hope this video helps you manage your Apple TV Plus subscription more effectively. Thank you for watching Foxtecc. If you found this guide useful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Your support is greatly appreciated as it helps us create content that you find helpful. Peace.